Today I am going to share cauliflower pakora recipe. You can try coming Ramadan. It's very easy and simple. Let's get started. Cauliflower cut and washed. Add salt with boiling water. Mix it. Add cauliflower. Boil 2 to 3 minutes. Done. Take out the cauliflower. Let it cool. Making batter. Flour, 1/4 cup. Cornstarch, 2 tablespoons. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon. It makes nice color. Mix well. Salt to taste. Ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Add water as required. Make a smooth batter. Perfect. Add boiled cauliflower. Mix it. Done. Transfer to the plate. Add some cornstarch on top. It will be more crispy. Fry medium heat until golden brown. Stir. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.